Hi everyone, welcome back to another recipe. Today, I'm making one of my favorite side dish. It is candied yams. Yes, I love me some candied yams, and today I'm showing you guys how to make it. It's so delicious, and let me tell you, you're going to enjoy this, okay? This is a must-have for Thanksgiving. Before I show you guys how this recipe is done, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, okay? Also, leave a like for me if you enjoyed today's recipe, and let's dive in to this recipe. Here's what you need to make today's recipe. I'm using butter, white sugar, brown sugar, a little bit of orange juice, salt, nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and I'm using 3 sweet potatoes, okay? Yams. So let's begin. All the measurement will be below for you, so if you're making this, check the description box for the measurement. Let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is cut our sweet potatoes, okay? So I'm going to use a potato peeler and start peeling everything, and once you're done, I'll show you what to do next. Once I'm done, it's time to cut the potatoes. I was live, okay? I was live on YouTube. If you saw that live, please leave me a comment below that you saw it. But anyways, I am going to cut the potatoes just like so. Now, I try my best to cut the potatoes about the same size, so that way they can cook at the same time. And also I went back and cut them right in the middle, just like so. Once you're done, it's time to make your caramelization. So you're going to add in butter to a medium high heat pot or saucepan. You're going to add in the sugar, the brown sugar and the white sugar, and then you are going to allow that to melt. Give it a stir. This recipe is very easy, by the way. Anyone can make this, okay? Once your butter is melted, and then as you can see, the sugar is melting as well, you're going in with the cinnamon. We're going to add in cinnamon. Pour that in. Also, we're going to add in vanilla extract. Love, love, love me some candy yams, okay? And also, we're going to add nutmeg. This right here is a little bit of orange juice. You can add orange zest in there as well. Next, I'm going to add some salt just to enhance the flavors of all the other ingredients like the sugar and stuff. So add that in, give it a stir. As you can see, we have a syrup now. We want to pour all that ooey gooey goodness all over our yams. I'm using a 13 by 9 by 2 baking dish. Add your yams right in there and then pour that syrup all over it. It's going to be so delicious, you guys. So once you're done pouring everything just like so, I am going to add some more butter to this as well. It doesn't matter if you add it while you melting the sugar or now, it doesn't really matter, okay? So I'm going to add that in just now, and then we are going to cover this with a foil and bake it. Now, baking this on 350 for about an hour, okay? So about halfway through the baking process, be sure to remove the foil and let it bake for another 30 minutes uncovered. So I want you to leave me a comment below. What is your favorite things to eat on Thanksgiving? This is the perfect side dish for Thanksgiving. I'm telling you, the ooey gooey sweet candied syrup. I can eat a whole plate by myself, you guys. That's how much I love candied yams. Hopefully you guys try it and let me know what you think down below. When I tell you guys, this is one of my favorite side dish to eat on Thanksgiving. I am not lying. I can eat this all day, every day, okay? Let me give it a try. It's nice and tender. It's nice and buttery too. Ooh, it's ooey, gooey. Oh yes. Mmm, mmm, mmm. It's sweet, a little bit of savory from the salt. I hope you guys try this recipe out and come back, let me know. Also, please give this video a thumbs up for me if it was helpful, if you like it. Don't forget to leave a comment as usual, and I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye guys.